Want to go viral on TikTok fast? Craving to see your follower count shoot up into the stratosphere? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the process of gaining virality on the short-form video sharing app TikTok into 3 easy-to-follow steps. Step 1, and this is crucial, is crafting unique and captivating content. In the world of TikTok, originality is king. You must strive to create content that's not only engaging, but also fresh and different from what's already out there. This could mean utilizing a new trend in a creative way, or even starting a trend of your own. Remember, TikTok users are always on the hunt for the next big thing, so give them something they didn't even know they were looking for. Moving on to step 2, mastering the art of the hashtag. Hashtags are the roadmaps that lead users to your content. The right hashtags can catapult your video into the viral stratosphere, while the wrong ones can leave it lost in the vast expanse of TikTok. Research trending hashtags related to your content and incorporate them into your posts. But remember, don't overdo it. A few relevant hashtags are far more effective than a barrage of unrelated ones. And finally, step 3, engagement. TikTok is a social platform, and its algorithm favors those who remember that. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, participate in challenges, and collaborate with other creators. This not only increases your visibility, but also helps build a community around your content, which can be instrumental in achieving virality. So there you have it, 3 steps to go viral on TikTok. First, create unique and captivating content. Second, master the art of the hashtag. And third, engage with your followers and other creators. Follow these steps and you'll not only increase your chances of going viral, but you'll also build a loyal following of users who can't wait to see what you'll post next. Remember, virality isn't just about a single video blowing up. It's about consistently delivering content that your audience loves. So keep these steps in mind as you navigate your TikTok journey, and who knows, maybe the next viral sensation on the platform will be you. So get out there, start creating, and let the TikTok world discover the star that you are. Good luck.